Hi, I'm Amanda from the Williams Sonoma Test Kitchen, and today I'm grilling salmon my favorite way, on the Williams Sonoma cedar planks. So there are two ways you can do this. These are the cedar planks, and I've been pre-soaking them in water. You just need to soak them for like an hour or two before you use them. Now we have these great plank savers, so I can put them in one of these. It's just gonna extend the life of your cedar plank, but you can also grill directly on the plank and put that right on the grill grates too. So we'll do it both ways to show you. Because these cedar planks have so much flavor themselves and it'll really actually be absorbed into the fish, I'm not making a fancy recipe here. I'm just sticking to very simple ingredients. A little bit of grapeseed oil on the fish. I love grapeseed oil because it's got a really high smoke point. And this cedar is actually Western red cedar that has not been treated, so guaranteed to be natural, and all you're getting is that beautiful smoky flavor from it. The recipe I'm riffing on today is a recipe on our blog for salmon with a lemon basil oil. I'm just having some fun by adding some fresh dill and some lemon slices to it. Okay, salt, and then let's make sure we've got a nice amount of pepper. Okay, since my grill is preheated, off we go. Let's do one on the saver, and we'll just put this other one directly onto the grill. I'm gonna check back in about 7 or 8 minutes. And the great thing is, I don't even have to turn these. It's been 8 minutes, so let's take a look. Wow, first of all, the smell of that cedar is incredible. One of the greatest things about the plank saver is that you could take this directly from the grill to the table. Okay, now for my lemon oil. This is just lemon infused olive oil. I'm also gonna put it on some feta I've got, and then a couscous salad we put together. To get this recipe and learn more about our cedar grilling planks, visit us online at williamssonoma.com.